returned until now.
Mac, what do you got?
It's a woman! It looks like it's Helen!
Return signal. Open the gate.
Close the gates! Mac! Keep the lookout!
Helen!
You're safe. I'm helping.
Bring it in. It's good to see you alive. Where have you been?
Feast your eyes on this.
This is pure dirt. Well, how'd you come by this?
I've been to dry land.
No, dry land is a myth.
But no, it's not a myth. Look, I've been there. It's our salvation. We can all start new lives on dry land, but we have to hurry. The deacon and the smokers are after me.
Smokers in the distance!
Battle station! Helen, get to the town. Hurry! Boss! Boss! It's the top of that gate. Keep it locked down. Seaplane. There's a seaplane.
Incoming from the south!
Get on the water cannon! Smokers! Smokers in the atoll! Gun!
He's going for the gate!
Stop him! No, 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 no! Everybody down!
Helen! Stay down! Helen! You got her!
Boss! No! Seaplane 2 o'clock!
There you go, Robert.
Girl! Look at the girl! Topside! Hey! Where do you think you're going? Signal the deacon!
They got Helen, man. Woo! They gotta get wet. Oh, Helen!
Quiet! Right here. Who wants this golf ball? Okay. There you go. Hi, I'm Tiger Woods. Hey, I don't remember asking you anything! Well, I got one question. Who's got the golf ball out there? Who has it? Stand up. Got my golf ball. No, it's okay. It's all right. It's okay. We might actually need these people. Bag this. Oh. Brothers and sisters! Okay, go on.
Hey, Deacon! You hear that? are not your brothers and sisters. Am I right?
Shut him up!
Ooh.
You will never shut us up!
Ooh.
Shut up. Where was I? Desolate children, you poor lost souls on this big floating piece of sheet metal. The provider has spoken. And he's told me personally that someone here, that's you, knows the way to dry land. That's right, my flock, dry land. Oh, we're gonna pave it and drive it, tax it, tithe it, sweet chill above. We're gonna use it, cruise it, fill it, drill it, and build an 18-hole monument to my beloved self. Yeah.
You'd never find dry land, Deacon. Oh, I won't let you. And neither will the Mariner.
The Mariner. Chuck, close the gates. Now you have my attention. The Mariner! Give me that half man, half fish, do the fish thing. The boyfriend of yours? The one that poked out my eye?
Yeah! Is that who you're talking about? Huh?
Bring me the girl over here. Right here. Hi, Helen. Offer you a smoke?
We're gonna take a picture with them later.
Who do you think
You
you
wanna-
are?
The
Yes,
stuntman.
I am. I'm the deacon.
The deacon.
What do we got up there, boys?
We got an A-tower! And he's got dirt!
Oh, how about that, Helen? He's got dirt. You see, I need to know the way to dry land. That's right. So, quiet. We're gonna play a little game. It's called the first one who talks lives.
Okay, Deacon, you leave him alone. He doesn't know anything.
Oh, well, you see, that makes you the winner.
Helen! Don't tell him anything!
That guy, he's the loser. Yeah,
No.
drop him.
No.
That's it. That's how we roll. No more games. You're gonna tell me when to dry land. For you're next.
You're approaching at high speed!
Excuse me. Yeah, so what? Shoot him. He's got a gun. Don't interrupt me.
He's gone!
What do you mean he's gone?
He's gone under the water!
No. That's the Mariner. If he can go under the water, that's the Mariner. Come on, shoot him. Helen, where are you going? Did I say you can leave before the party is over?
Ooh.
Oh, no. Jane, where are you going? He's right here. Right here. I can see this level. He got 1 hour. Let's go. Vernon, when I say take his head off, I want you to take his head off. Take his head off! Oh, no. We have guns, he's got water, and he's kicking our butts. Oh. How many of these fights are we gonna lose?
Like 6, 7?
What? Hey, Chuck, fix this thing.
6.
The girl's getting away!
Oh! That's a big hammer right there. Boom!
kind. He doesn't have a kind. Let's go in louder. There we go. Line him up. Line him up. Line him up. Get him. It's Jam! Jam, well find me another weapon. You're not gonna ruin my plans for Thailand. Neck, Torpedo freak, you're a freak. I need a weapon. Hey, boss, how about this?
Oh.
Come on, Mariner. You and me. Man versus you. Whatever you are. Get out, cousins.
Wait, no. Mariner, no! Hey!
God
You
damn,
go
my eyes.
for me! Not for yours! Mariner! I think we got it!
Helen! There's something on your back. Why is he still alive? I want him dead. Get up top, see on my seaplane, have him blow this place. I'll take care of the gun.
That's good.
What's wrong with this thing? Shut up! I need something with a little more kick. Yes!
Oh.
Ask and ye shall receive. Yeah! Mariner, say hello to Big Bertha. Now, do us a favor, will you? Stay in one spot.
Later, you cannot find it by the way though. You cannot find it anymore. Later.
You're gonna use Chuck as a shield? I never liked Chuck.
Mariner! Mariner!
Yeah, winner! Okay, thank you. Get up. Somebody signal my seaplane. How do you like that, Helen? All my men are dead. Good. So is your boyfriend. You see that ladder start climbing now? A little faster. I got a brand new vision. A pilgrimage for two to dry land. That's me and you. Just think of it. The two of us. Savoring the sweet flavor of dry land. Come on, Helen. Show me the way.
Okay.
Oh! My beautiful face. Deacon.
Oh, Ellen!
Come on, fish boy. Now, let us decide the fate of the new world. Does it belong to man or fish?
Mariner! I'll get the boat!
No, you're not going anywhere. Not with a big hole in your boat. No, I only have one You made me in my seaplane. No, come on.
Oh my god. That's scary on the front.
No! You may be hit my seaplane, but nevertheless, I've got your woman, I've killed your friends. Who's gonna stop me now? You? I don't think so. You don't have a leg to stand up! Yes, I, Deacon of Waterworld, celebrate the birth of a new nation. Dry land is my destiny.
Hey, Deacon!
Hey, what?
land and use the stairs and aisleways only. Thank you.
Welcome to Universal Studios Hollywood. If you've already purchased tickets, please have them ready to scan and head to any open turnstile on either side of our iconic archway. Your adventure is just steps away.